MBBS from Russian universities? Sounds great. I am Priya from Team Ranfast Medical Educare. Let me tell you, Russia and its universities are always a big yes for Indian students, and I am going to tell you about one of the universities over there, which is Crimea Federal University. As you can see the prospectus here, I will tell you few important key points which will be very helpful if you listen to it very carefully. So let me start with the important thing. Crimea Federal University is one of Russia's premier medical institutions located in the heart of Simferopol, established in 1918, and it is 100-plus-year-old government university. If I talk about location, situated in Simferopol, the capital of Crimea, CFU boasts a sprawling campus equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, offering students a conducive environment for learning and growth. Alright, MBBS program details. If I talk about, the MBBS program spans 6 years, including 1 year clinical internship, taught entirely in English, and the curriculum aligned with international medical education standards. Very important point, admission criteria and entrance exam. Prospective students need a minimum 50% in PCB, physics, chemistry, biology subject, and a qualifying NEET score, mandatory. While there is no traditional entrance exam, an online interview assesses the candidate's motivation and readiness. Okay, let's get to now tuition fees and living expenses. Annual tuition fee is 3,50,000 ruble and 50 to 60,000 ruble hostel fees and other expenses. The total 6-year cost approximate 24 lakh INR, making it an affordable option for many of the students. If I talk about now the clinical rotations and hospitals, from the 3rd year, students engage in hand-on clinical rotations and affiliated government hospital in Simferopol, gaining invaluable real-world experience, which is very beneficial for the students. If I talk about FMG passing rate and recognition, then CFU graduates have demonstrated commendable performance in the FMG with the passing rate which says 54.80% in 2024. The university recognition by bodies like NMC, WHO, ECFMG and underscores its globally credibility. Okay, now if I get to the further point, which is beyond academic, and CFU offers a vibrant student life with comfortable hostels, diverse culture events and amenities like gym, cafeterias, ensuring a holistic experience for students, which is also a plus point if you see. Now, if I talk about everything together, to embark on your medical journey with Crimea Federal University, where tradition meets excellence. For more details, visit our official website, and you can also visit the university's official website. Give us a call and we will help you with more detail, and you will get to know more about what you want for your MBBS. Thank you and take care.